Mabuhay, Philippines!
Hi, Sawadika.
Okay, Dom, introduce yourself again.
Yes, I am Dom Correlia, Mr. Global Philippines 2024. It's been amazing. We just ate lunch. Very spicy, that's why it's very sweaty. Very delicious, so it's amazing, yeah. The first night, it was great. I actually walked a little bit. I went to look for McDonald's and ate the food there. But the hotel is amazing. The bed feels great. It's very cold. The shower feels hot. Overall, just an amazing stay. Yeah. Mga kababayan, kung gusto nyo pumunta dito sa Thailand, pumunta kayo sa Royal Orchid Sheraton Hotel. Napakaganda nitong hotel na to. Ang ganda ng mga facilities nila, gym, pool, na nasa tabi lang siya ng river, tapos katabi ng river ay may mall. Yung mga Gucci stores, Hermes, mga ganun. So napakaganda talaga nito at highly recommended ko para sa inyong lahat. Oh, my roommate is Puerto Rico. Yes, Puerto Rico.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Philippines. Dalo na.